Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Once the tabs are free, lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF3984 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.